It's doing a good job at it.
This thing's long tracking at this point. It's been on the ground for, oh, that might be strong.
Look at the lean on it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look at the forward lean. That's definitely violent.
Let me go grab my tripod.
Whoa. Dude, it's getting huge.
Very strong. Absolute tornado fest out here.
What is this? Number 5? 6? I don't know. 4?
Gotta be 5 or 6, yeah.
That thing might go on for a while.
It's gonna be a long tracker. Heading toward North Junction. My camera just died.
There's no way my Cool Pix is gonna handle this. There's no way. I mean, it's definitely still on the left. It's pretty hard to tell. That was power flash. That thing is not weakening. Should we try to get a move?